What's going on, everybody? Cryptip Helper back again with another video, and this time we're going to discuss L1 Gold. Now if you look through my previous videos, you'll see my price prediction with L1 Gold and what the ecosystem holds. But right now, a few years later, everything's changed, as in different branding, different ecosystems, more utility. So we're just going to go through a few today, and I'm going to show you some stuff that's got me excited and hopefully it gets you excited. But guys, as you can see, we are on 389 subscribers. So if you are the one first watching this, could you hit that subscribe button on the bottom right? And I'd like you to be my 400th subscriber. Hit the like button, send it to your friends who are into L1 Gold, who maybe want to get into L1 Gold. But Howie, let's just jump into it and we'll get on with this video. So as you can see, guys, the all-time high for L1 Gold was around about $542. And when you look at today's prices at $30, it's quite crazy how a bear market and a bull market can act on prices. So if you look over here, we had less utility than we did down here. So it doesn't make sense, but we're in a bear market, guys, and anything happens in the crypto space. But right now, around this area, as you can see, in a bull market, we fly up, then we hold, and then we drop down. But we've been going sideways now for, let's just say, the 13th of June. So we've been going through now for a year, and nothing's been happening. It looks boring, but behind the scenes, L1 have been building like mad. And honest to God, guys, if you're prepared for this next bull run, you'll see what is possible. So I just want to show you this now, guys. So let's just go into the Multiversx wallet. So it was L1 Gold. We have rebranded to Multiversx wallet, and they're putting their niche sort of into the metaverse. So yeah, is my dashboard. You can see my wallet because there's not really that much in, but yeah, some of the tokens that they are using. But I'm just going to show you what I'm doing at the moment. So you can stake in the L1 wallet. So here's my staking dashboard. I've got 26. Now this was worth substantial more in the bull run. I've been staking for a while now, and I've been utilizing it on other things. So there's my claimable rewards. So the reward batch is coming, well, another 6 hours. So here's my delegation for staking as well. So if you've got a legacy delegation like I have, you don't have to do this, but I've got both. So these are some of my delegations that I use that are verified. I always use verified ones. So I was just testing it out with 1 EGLD, 1.3 EGLD, and 24 EGLD. So what I'm doing is, with this, I'm just basically rebranding. I'm just basically restaking and putting it back into the pot. So I'll just do it now live while you guys are watching. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. So I'll just claim these rewards. I've got to confirm and sign a few transactions. Maybe I'll speed this up in the video. For some reason, I don't know why this is not working, and I don't want to hold you guys too long. Maybe it's cancelled, maybe it's not. Anyways, it's locked me out my wallet. So that is sort of the staking. I know you can go on Atomic Wallet and stake if you want to do it easier, but they sort of had a hack the last, I think it was a couple of weeks ago. So I've taken most of my assets off there, so I wouldn't recommend that. So I would just use the Multiversx wallet. But anyways, I just want to show you the form now. So I'll just go on to this. So hopefully I don't have to sign in for you guys quickly. So this is what's been going on the exchange as well. So you've got the staking part. Now you've got the exchange with farms, meta staking, meta bonding, and it's a little bit. So boosted rewards are in. See if I can do this for you guys. So these are my earnings when I claim it. So all these I'll go through in a minute and show you guys what these are in a better understanding. So let's just see if this is a lot quicker. So I'll just sign these transactions to claim them, as the boosted rewards are in. But while that's claiming, so guys, I've got my farm now. Like I say again, it's down massively. I'm not going to lie and say it's the best thing since sliced bread. And my understanding is I was getting a lot more rewards than I was now. but we are in a bear market, so I am hoping that it's going to go back up. So these rewards have been claimed, which is good. So this was worth a substantial amount of more than what it was. But see, these are the assets on the DEX. So the DEX just stands for decentralized exchange, basically. So you've got your wrapped EGLD, your UTK, and you might be wondering what's all this. I'll show you in a minute. So these are sort of my rewards of claiming. So there's quite a bit going on this the whole ecosystem. So these are my locked tokens for, well, it'll tell you the date. I can unlock them, but there's a higher fee for that. And basically, I'll just go back onto the exchange and show you as before. So my farms are there, my locked tokens, my meta staking, which is pathetic, but I'll show you that in a minute. And as we go through, I'm not really 100% familiar with this sort of interface that we're using, because I was used to the old one since I've updated, and I've just basically left it. So all my locked mechs, so the farms that I've got. So I've got a Mex EGLD, that's earning 30% APR. And there's my earnings, whatever it is so far. Like to this, I've reclaimed it every week. You've got a USDC one. I've got the Ride EGLD one. For me, these are pretty boring, and I'm not going to say that they're exciting. For me, they're not really exciting. So let's go on to meta staking. This is a little bit more interesting. So once you get these tokens, you can stake them like in a normal, say on Atomic Wallet, you want to stake Cardano, you click stake and you earn that back. And this is the same with these tokens. The Ride token, you earn Ride back. The Zoid Pay, you earn Zoid Pay back. And there's other ones that it's just meta staking, basically staking, that's all it is. And you can see from yourselves, but if you don't know what these tokens are, what they're about, you don't, well, why would I invest in something like this? So I'm just going to show you on the meta bonding. So as we go down, you can see some of these projects that are getting built on the ecosystem. So you've got the Cyberpunk City, and you've got Sense for Fit. So if you're like me, that are like you're into your fitness and health and well-being and stuff, this could be something for you. So all you do is, there's some rewards that I've got that I haven't claimed yet. And all you do is, you can click on this internet browser search and it takes you to the web page. And you can go through the white paper yourself and have an understanding of how you'll earn money. You'll earn basically crypto for staying fit. Now there's an app, you can download the app and you can go through all the paraphernalia, like the roadmap, the tokenomics, the staking. And you can just go through with the partnerships that you're using. And it just tells you some of the stuff here. So basically you're getting paid to stay fit if you use their application. If you log in, there's a private video about it, join the community. So that's just one of the avenues on the meta bonding profile when you go in. So this could be for you. You could download the PDF, or you can go onto their Twitter page and see what's going on. So yes, some of the other stuff that they're building as well. The U-Trust. So the world's first crypto payment solution offers instant transactions, buyer protection, and crypto to cash settlements. So you've got the Zoid Pay. Now this is a popular one. I know a few people who are using this. So basically it's a liquidity platform enabling instant card instants to purchase from any merchant. Similar to my Uphold card that I've done a video on previously. Have a look at that if you haven't. That's quite interesting, earning XRP rewards. So with Zoid Pay, as we go further down, you can see the Quowatt, which is a French EV charging operator, providing energy. Now this is getting built around Europe, but they've got a roadmap to go across the globe. So you can see where, for me, the excitement is in this Elrond Gold ecosystem. I mean, like I said earlier on this video, when us were here, look, guys, back in 21, we have been building so bad over this last few years, it's unbelievable. And when the next bull run comes round, guys, be ready for it, because this will prepare you. So this is the Quowatt webpage when you go on. And this is just telling you, if you want to have a look what it's all about, you can go into it. You can read their white paper as well and go through lots of stuff about staking and stuff like that. So that is just the Quowatt. You've got some other ones as well that aren't really interest to me, but they could be interest to you. Everyone's different. So these are just few that I'm just going to claim these rewards actually. So I'll claim all these rewards. Pretty boring part, but these are claiming the tokens, and if you want, once these tokens are claimed, you could just go onto the meta staking, and whatever tokens you've claimed, you can stake them. So if I earn like ZoidPay, I can stake them if I want and earn 7%. So you can see how this can get effective the higher you go up the ladder. To see you've got 100,000 ZoidPay and you're earning 7%, that is a good ROI. So this is how you build. You build in the bear market. So when the bull market comes round, you can take advantage of it. So guys, I just want to show you a pretty decent project that I'm looking at as well. So this is like the gaming side of it. So you pay to earn. Play to earn, not pay to earn. So when you're playing the game, you're actually earning, which sounds, when you look at the graphics that these details have got, it's fantastic. So this is just on the Mafia. If you want to look, I'll leave a link down below so you can have a look at the collections. These have probably already been minted now, but you can go on you can go and buy them for a substantial fee depending on the price of these. But you can actually play these in the game, and your character earns it earns all different types of things. So like, just see you play on Grand Theft Auto, you start from the bottom, you've got nothing, and then you've got to work your way up. Well, this is similar to this, but instead of you getting fake money, you're getting real money. You're getting real crypto that you can use. You can swap it for real, and then exchange it for Bitcoin and stuff like that. So this is a Mafia the website. But when I go onto into the Twitter interface, you'll see how cool the graphics and that look. This is a Project Red, and if you look at I'll just show you the video here. When you look through it, guys, it does look really appealing. Project Red. So there's some of the game interface. It's got the similar theme of Grand Theft Auto, but here's some of the in-game play. Now imagine this, where you guys are doing this, playing it, but you're earning real money, and this is what this is giving you. L1 Mafia Project Red. This is the actual website. So when you go on, you can see the gameplay behind this, and it's just like a sort of Call of Duty type thing. But if you look here, Project Red is including 20 activities to play between mobsters. Blood Arena, poker, and many more will allow you to earn EGLD while showing your skills to the whole Mafia. All gathered in the headquarters, you will be able to meet, exchange, and confront. So I know the likes of the Grand Theft Auto, you can pay with real money to have fake money, like $1 million, and you can go and do what you want. With this, it's different. You actually earn real L1 gold, so you can farm. I know this is not like for the kids and stuff, but farming cannabis and stuff like that and get revenue. You've got tactical, you've got meet and play with mobsters, so it's just crazy. Like, you'll be doing this for real money instead of playing on a game that you get nothing out of. That'll be good for all the gamers. I'm not a gamer myself, but this just does look exciting. So this is just some of the features and play and earn EGLD with 20 activities. So it does look exciting to the people out there who are gamers. The minting's coming soon, so that means you mint one of these mobsters or whatever that you can play the game with. And just keep an eye on it, and that's Project Red. I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a look if you're a gamer and you want to sort of have a look and see what's going on. So this is what you would actually do. You'd buy a mobster NFT. I don't know what the price is at the moment. Obviously it says soon, so we'll find out. Create your mobsters, create your clan, become successful. So like I said, guys, it's just basically like a Grand Theft Auto, but in real life you're going to be earning money instead of you paying money to get successful on Grand Theft Auto or whatever. This is just the requirements for what you need. If you want to go onto their community on their Twitter, you can do so. Just click on the Twitter badge and it'll take you to them, and you can just go through and keep up to date. If you want to mint one of these mobsters, and if you're a gamer yourself and you love out like that, you can get yourself into this game and start earning with other people. So it's like a community really, and you have your headsets on and do whatever you want to do. But that's not my thing, but I just wanted to show you because it's quite interesting. This is one of the pages where you can actually go and buy NFTs, L1 Mafia and stuff like that. That's declare deadray.io. So guys, what is your thoughts on L1 Gold? Are you bullish on L1 Gold? Are you excited about the future of this? Because like I said earlier, a few years ago we were at $550 and we've been building ever since. So the value, it's got more value now than it has then. Obviously the price should be a lot higher, but you've got to understand we're in a bear market, coming out of a bear market, and obviously the next bull run, it'll show you guys how well you can't do if you set yourselves up now. So just the price of EGLD, from my understanding, I'll just go onto the smaller time frame, and you're looking at, like, if I can't even find it because it's that low, the price, $30 odd dollars, $30 we're at, right guys, for one L1. It used to be 550. Now we're still in the bear market, coming out into a bull market. The previous, well, its all-time highs was $550, but we have got more value now. We have got more people building on L1 now. So do not think the next bull run that it's going to at least test its all-time highs at 550. In my opinion, my humble opinion, it is. And I'll give you a price prediction in a little while. So my opinion is we're going to continue to build. People are going to continue to build on L1. And we're going to get more value, more utility, more adoption, which is great. So the risk reward on investing in L1 gold and just staking it in a wallet, the upside potential is huge compared to where we are now. I mean, in my opinion, surely you might have another dip, but we can't really go much lower. And if you've got a long-term mindset like I have, you'll understand these are great buying opportunities. So I'll just quickly give you a price prediction, right? And this is my honest opinion. I'm not giving you any hopium. But I've been in a bear market and I've been in a bull market, and I know how crazy the bull market gets when you just see it rise from likes of this, look, just from down here, then boom. Look at this, look at this, just within a short period of time. And it'll happen again in the next bull run. I mean, from down the bottom to the top, boom, few months, and we just made thousands of %. So now we are $542. I said 550. But my honest price prediction, guys, drum roll, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button before I tell you. My honest opinion is I'm honestly thinking we're going to hit the $850 to $1,000 mark. And I know that sounds crazy, guys, but honestly the amount of work that they've been doing behind the scenes is crazy. So $850 to $1,000 in the next bull run, within the next few years. I honestly do believe we're going to test its all-time highs, and I think we're going to shoot off even higher. And that's my honest opinion, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, hit the subscribe button, please. I'd love to get to that 400 mark. We're nearly there, guys, and I'm really excited about getting there. I know it sounds pathetic, but I just love to get to 400. And hit the like button, send it to your friends. I'll also leave a link down below so you can follow us in my Telegram group, which I post different stuff daily, which might get you excited about trade entries, the news, stuff that's exciting. And I'll just put that down below so you can see. But guys, thanks for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you all in the next one.